In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start from a simple web search and finish by publishing an idea on the Euro versus US dollar chart inside TradingView. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to Google. Type TradingView into the search bar. In the results, click the official TradingView.com link to enter the site. Choosing the genuine domain gives you the secure, full-featured platform. If sponsored results appear first, scroll to the organic result with the TradingView.com address before continuing. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, click the search bar near the top to open the symbol search. This tool lets you jump straight to markets, tickers, and ideas. Begin typing Euro versus United States dollar, or simply EURUSD. As you type, TradingView suggests matches. Picking it from the list is the fastest way to load the correct chart. If you see tabs in the search window, make sure you're on symbols and, if needed, filter for forex so you get the currency pair rather than unrelated results. Click Euro versus United States dollar from the list to open its live chart. Give the chart a moment to load fully. Here you can view price action and, if you want to make your analysis clearer, adjust the time frame, switch between candles and lines, or add simple annotations. Keep things clean and readable so your key points are obvious. If multiple listings for the same pair appear, select the data source you trust and stick with it for consistency. When the chart looks the way you want, click Publish at the top of the chart. This opens TradingView's idea workflow. If you aren't signed in, you'll be prompted to log in before proceeding. Publishing lets you attach a title, write a short description of your thesis, and include a snapshot of the chart. Clear reasoning and a tidy chart help others quickly understand what you're seeing. To finalize, click Publish Idea. That confirms your post and shares it based on your account's visibility settings. A concise, informative title, a brief explanation of your setup, and a legible screenshot will make your idea more useful to viewers. After it goes live, you can find it on your profile, monitor feedback, and refine future posts using what you learn. And that's the full flow. Search for TradingView on Google, use the site's search to find Euro versus United States dollar, open the chart, click Publish, and then select Publish Idea. Follow these same steps whenever you want to share a clear, well-presented analysis.